Hello everyone, if you're getting this error when you're trying to update your Windows installer and encountered an error 0x800F0838, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying Windows update error on your computer. So the first thing you're going to do, you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to search for Microsoft Update Catalog. You're going to go into this link from catalog.update.microsoft.com. You're going to come here and you're going to put in the update that you want to download. So for me, it is this one, KB50009. Press search then. And then here, you're just going to click onto the one that you want to download. So I want this one. I'm going to click download on it. And then I'm going to just download anyone from here. Click start download. Now wait for it to complete downloading. It's only going to take a minute or two, depending on how fast your internet is. And once it's done downloading, you're going to click open folder on here. You're going to create a new folder, name it whatever you want. I'll name it my channel's name. You're going to move this update file into that folder. You're going to open that folder up, and then you're going to open up the start menu. You're going to write here PowerShell. Make sure to run it as an administrator. Click yes on here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to copy this command. I'm going to put this command into the description of the video. And then what you're going to do is you're going to right click onto the update. You're going to click copy as path on here. Your interface may look different, so just click on copy as path here. And then go into your PowerShell, paste this command, and just press enter on here. And once you press enter, Windows will manually install that update for you. It will take a minute or two. After it's done, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And after you're done with the restart, now when you go ahead and check your Windows version by opening up the start menu, writing your WinVer, you'll see that your Windows will be updated. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.